Good evening, ma'am. My name is Mr. Kun. My topic is about policies in the Philippines. Policies in the Philippines refers to the law, regulations, and guidelines created by government to manage the country political, economic, and social affairs. These policies aim to promote the national development. Economic policies. These policies to aim to strengthen the country economy and ensure sustainable growth. Example: Build Better, More program. Infrastructure development for transportation and job creation. Investment Priorities Plan (IPP) encourage foreign and local investment. Tax reform to acceleration and inclusion. Trade law simplifies the tax system and increases the government revenue. And the second, social policies focus on improving the quality of life Filipinos, particularly in education, health, and welfare. Example: Universal Health Care and Universal Healthcare Act Republic Act Number 1123 provides healthcare for all Filipinos. Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program for Peace offer cash assistance to poor families. Free Tertiary Education Act RE 10931 provide a free tuition in state universities and college. And the third, environmental policies protect and manage the country natural resources and environment. Example: Clean Air Act RE 8749 controls air pollution. Clear Water Act RE 9275 regulates water pollution. Ecological Solid Waste Management Act RE 9003 promote waste reduction, recycling, and proper disposal. Fourth, foreign policies guide the country's regulation with other nations. Example: independent foreign policies. The Philippines acts in their own national interest, not under the influence of other nations. And the Asian Cooperation Member strengthens economic and security. The ties with Southeast Asian countries. Mutual Defense Treaty with the U.S. ensure defense cooperation between the Philippines and the United States. And the last one, ma'am, educational policies ensure access to quality education of all citizens. Like example, K to 12 program extends basic education to 12 years. Alternative learning system also provide education to out school youth and adults. Magna Carta Public School Teachers RE 4670 protects the right and welfare of teachers. Thank you.